Welcome to this quick guide on how to view starred focused messages on LinkedIn using your PC. With the recent update, managing your messages has become easier and more efficient. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your messaging features. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look at the top menu. You will see various icons. Click on the messaging icon. This icon typically resembles an envelope and is located near the top right corner of the page. After clicking on the messaging icon, you will be taken to your inbox. Here, you'll notice two main sections: Focused and Other. To find your starred messages, click on the Focus section. This is where LinkedIn prioritizes messages that are most relevant to you based on your interactions and connections. Now that you're in the Focused section, look for the Starred option. Click on it to filter your messages further. This feature allows you to quickly access conversations that you've marked as important or noteworthy. It's similar to how you might star emails in your inbox, making it easy to revisit crucial discussions without scrolling through all your messages. Remember, starring a message is a great way to keep track of important conversations, whether they are from potential clients, collaborators, or networking opportunities. By following these steps, you can ensure that you never miss out on vital communications. In summary, here's a quick recap of what we just covered. 1. Open linkedin.com and log into your account. 2. Click on the messaging icon at the top menu. 3. Select the Focus section. 4. Click on Starred to view your important messages. With these simple steps, you can effectively manage your LinkedIn communications and stay organized in this fast-paced professional environment. Happy networking!